Hey my lovelies, welcome or welcome back. I hope you all are feeling amazing. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on the Caraway Cookware set I received about 3 months ago. And since then, I've been doing my regular cooking and forming my own personal opinions to share. Hopefully by the end of this video, I'll answer any questions and help you make your decision on your next Caraway set. This is how your beautiful set will arrive in this huge box. I love the little cute messaging they have on their boxes. I just think it's just really nice. I also appreciated that they shipped all of their cookware in recycled cardboard with 0 plastic bags, and they also use low impact print dyes. Once you open your box, you will notice how everything is neatly placed inside, secured, and ready to use. Caraway Cookware is 100% non-toxic, ceramic coated, eco-friendly, and non-stick. Their pans are naturally slick that requires less oil and butter for cooking and also less scrubbing for cleaning. Your cookware set will come with a frying pan, a saute pan, saucepan, Dutch oven, lid organizers, pot organizers, and 2 biodegradable cork trivets. I'm just obsessed with the overall look of this set, surely capable of complementing any kitchen space. They have plenty of colors to choose from to match your personal style and aesthetics. So mine are in the color gray, which complements my kitchen very well. And not only are these pots and pans like super beautiful, but I love how sturdy they feel. The stainless steel handles have nice little grooves on them to make handling the pans so much easier. Your Caraway Cookware set will come with some lid holders. The lid holders are great for organizing and will fit on most cabinet drawers. They'll also come with pot holders, making it fun and easy to organize your cookware set. Your set will come with a booklet with some care instructions. Definitely make sure you go over it before using. Before cooking and storing, make sure you hand wash your pans with warm soapy water just to remove any debris left over from the manufacturing shipping process. Then you want to wipe down with soft, non-abrasive dish towels. Make sure that they're non-scratchy. Ceramic does come naturally non-stick, so it's no need to season your pans beyond a dash of oil. So I know you're like, yes, Lavion, they're cute, love the aesthetics, love the organizers, but girl, how do they hold up when it's time to cook? Because cute just don't get the food done. So I put together a few clips preparing a few different meals to help you get a better idea and feel of the cookware. Here I'm using my saute pan to make some oven roasted chicken. I placed my chicken in the oven uncovered. So this saute pan, just like all of Caraway's pans, are non-stick ceramic. They have an aluminum core and works well on all cooktops, gas and electric safe. But definitely make sure you are using the proper burner. And they are also oven safe up to 550 degrees. This chicken came out so juicy and tender, and it had the perfect crispiness to it. When cooking with my set, I do stay away from using my stainless steel utensils just to prevent any scratches on the pans. I will go for my silicone utensils or even the wooden spoon when I'm making my oatmeal or sauces. Of course, we had to show the egg test. I'm going to make myself some breakfast, and I'm just sauteing up some tomatoes, onions, and some smoked salmon before adding in my eggs. And you can just see how effortlessly the eggs are just gliding over the pan. Cooking with ceramic can hold heat more efficiently than traditional pans, so be sure to use your pans on low to medium heat, never overheating. This may wear away the non-stick coating. So after cooking, I do allow time for my pots and pans to cool off. So allowing time to cool down before running cold water over its surface to avoid thermal shock. These pans can withstand extreme temperatures on both ends, but sudden change can reduce the lifespan. I do use warm soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge for easy cleanup. So after cooking in my Caraway Cookware set for quite some time, I am comfortable and confident that I could recommend Caraway Cookware to anyone looking for some new cookware, not only because of its beautiful appearance, but because of how well the quality is. Being able to prepare meals without all the heavy oils will allow you to taste and enjoy your foods so much more. If you decided that Caraway Cookware may be a perfect fit for you, I will have a 10% discount code linked in the description box. And if you happen to try and decide it's not for you, no worries. Caraway does offer a 30-day hassle-free return and refund policy for all products purchased. Check them out and be on your way to healthy cooking with beautiful cookware in your kitchen.